Have you ever wondered what civilization truly means? Civilization is a blend of values boasting consistency, coherence, quality, and sophistication, reflected in its fine details to achieve a progressive lifestyle and purpose. You may be a product of its outcomes or a contributing hand building it, or you may rise to oversee better results, creating a sustained future hand in hand with generations of pioneers and contributors. Vocational training is a crucial component of the civilization blend, enabling you to transfer your skills and expertise to those striving for the know-how. But wait, what is training, really? Training is not staging smooth and fascinating body language or perfected communication skills. Training is not dwelling on your or others' repetitive or interesting successes or heroic stories. Training is not measured by the ability to entertain or gamify. And training quality is certainly not measured by handout quantities or page flipping. The abundance of information will delay active practice and application of skills. In fact, training delivers concise information for know-how needed in the field, turning this information into a functional tool, enabling you to create an impact seen and felt by society. This tool may become a de facto standard in contributing to civilization. Canada Global Centre holds to this meaning of training, supplying professional, contemporary training tools for you to become a training pioneer, no matter your profession, to contribute to progress and development. With a presence spanning more than 30 countries across 4 continents, Canada Global Centre is expanding to accelerate the progress of civilizations. Canada Global Centre, the future, now.